guys, it's Lindsay, and today's video is going to be my Sigma Beauty x MissAmazing collaboration review over the Sigma Beauty Best of Sigma for All Minis Edition set. Let me first start by telling you that if you guys have been around my channel for any length of time, you will know that MissAmazing is a very near and dear organization to my heart. It was started by a girl named Jordan Summer who hails from Omaha, Nebraska. MissAmazing, I will leave their Instagram page down below. So if you guys want more information than what I give you in today's video about MissAmazing, you will be able to hop over there and have all the endless information that you want. It's a state and national level beauty pageant for girls and women that have disabilities. And I was lucky enough to be the first national junior teen representative back in 2013. This pageant has completely changed my life. It has given me a voice to advocate with. It has given me a platform to where I can bring awareness to huge issues that we face in the disability community. This year that I went, I was lucky enough to receive my state's teen title, teen division queen category. And on the national level, I was lucky enough to receive the first runner-up on a national level. And that was big for me because the areas which you get graded on are evening gown, which is where you get to put on pretty dresses, an interview. What's new they added this year is a passion presentation. This is replacing the previous talent portion that the pageant had. So what the passion presentation is, 2 minutes where you get to talk about anything you want. Anything you want. It can be where you sing, where you dance, where, like you talk about any issue across disability you want. Anything that you like to do for fun. And my national platform, my passion presentation was human development coursework for those that have disabilities, which you guys may not know is a very near and dear issue to my heart, and it's something not widely talked about in the scope of the disability community. If you guys want to see my national passion presentation, I will leave it down below. This set is in collaboration with MissAmazing, what's cool about this set is it's a $40 set and it's a $50 retail value. But what's cool about it, if you purchase one of these sets, they will actually, for everyone that is purchased, they are actually donating one to the National MissAmazing program for their summit this year, their national pageant level this year. That's awesome. $50 retail value, and it's a $40 set. And I have my mic cord tied up. You get a set of brushes. This is called the Sigma Beauty Eye Essentials Beauty on the Go set. And you get the Sigma Beauty Mini Lipsticks for Lasting Color set. It comes in this black gift bag, which is really awesome. So just running through the products you get a Sigma leather bag that you can put all the stuff into. And the 3 products you get as far as liquid lipsticks go is the Sigma liquid lipstick in Awaken. On the box it says it's a dreamy pink rouge, which I have to fully agree with that. It's a beautiful mauvey pink color. I have photos of me wearing all 3 of these shades on my Makeup and Mobility Facebook page, which I will leave down below. And this is a beautiful mommy pinky kind of color. You guys know I love those kind of colors. So it's no question that I'm gonna like this. The formula is good, which we'll get to that in a minute. Then the next one you get is Fable, which is a beautiful dusty rose kind of color in my opinion. On the box it says Fable is a dark satin raspberry, which I have to firmly agree with. Like I said, it's a reddish pink kind of color. Absolutely loved this color on my skin tone. It's the first color that I tried on. I love this kind of color and it's amazing. Now, this is the color I have on now. It's called New Mod. On the box, it is a warm dusty mauve color. And a warm nude mauve, I should say. And let's talk about the formula now. Now, the formula is really, really good. Here's the applicator on this. You get 3 mini sizes of their permanent line lipsticks. And I have to say, I do like the formula. It's long lasting, it's comfortable. It will not come off on a mask, which I know we're very concerned with nowadays. And because of COVID and everything, really like this. The full-size retail value of one of these liquid lipsticks is $20. And for $40, you get to try 3 of them, which I love. Now, let's talk about the brushes. You get the Sigma Beauty Eye Essentials On The Go Sigma set. You get the nice little carrying case, which is included in this set, with a free 2-year warranty. All Sigma brushes are a free 2-year warranty. The brushes you get in here are the E30, Mini E30, which on the box it says you can use this brush to soften liner along the lash line, which I firmly agree with that. It's also great for applying shadow on the lower lash line and doing any kind of detail work on the outer corner. Then the Sigma E25 brush. E25. And what this says on the box is apply and combine shadow shades. And this is the first brush after I set my eyeshadow primer that I want to reach for to apply shadows into my crease. Absolutely love this brush. It's one of my favorites. The last brush you're getting in this set is not the one I just pulled out, but this one. It's the Sigma Mini E55. And what this says on the box is evenly apply color across the entire lid, which I firmly agree with that. It works great for that. My first eye look that I ever did with this mini brush set, I used all 3 of these brushes just by themselves, and it created a full eye look. I was able to do everything with these 3 mini brushes, and I feel like they're amazing. Amazing quality. Definitely live up to their full-size brushes, which I have tried. And I will quickly show you comparisons between. This is the full-size E30, and this is the mini guy of the E30. Love this brush. As you can see, same detail, same taper. Love this brush. Same taper, same mini, same, quality, same blendability, same usage. Works, performs the same on the eye as the full-size version does. Only this one happens to be in a shorter handle form, which I firmly like shorter handle brushes because I have a lot of spasticity in my hands, and I find shorter handle brushes are much easier for me to hold. So I love this. The last brush I will show you a comparison of is the Sigma E25. Same things I went over with the E30. I love this brush. It's my favorite for applying shadows into the crease. The only major difference with this one, like I said with the other one, is the fact that this one only comes in a shorter handle form, which I said like before that I like that because of the spasticity I have in my hands due to my cerebral palsy. I love it. And I think it's great that Sigma included some of their best-selling brushes and their best-selling, the most talked about makeup from them, besides their brushes or their eyeshadow palettes. But these are great. I love them. And the fact that you get to try 3 of them for $40 is great. Love this. And the quality of their brushes are the same as their full-size brushes. Yeah, I just love this set. You get to not only support a awesome organization, but try new makeup. And I think this is a great way to not only support them, but try new makeup. And if someone has asked about Sigma Beauty makeup for like Christmas, because I know that's coming up, I just purchased holiday makeup myself, and this would be a great way to get them introduced to Sigma Beauty. And I just think it's great, and you're getting to support a awesome, very near and dear organization to my heart. And I cannot thank you guys enough for purchasing one of these if you decide to, because with every one you purchase, they end up donating one for their national event. I love this so much. Regardless, I would still be honest with you guys. This is my own personal opinion. Nobody is swaying me this way. The fact that I've been a previous national queen winner does not inform my opinion at all. The fact that I love this organization does not impact my opinion at all. Just wanted to throw that out there. By the way, I have almost a full face of the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez products on right now. I'm wearing their primer, their foundation, their concealer, their brow pencil, their liquid highlight, their liquid blush, basically everything that from what I purchased other than like their liquid lipstick or their balm. But if you guys want to see a review on that, please let me know. I've been testing them out since launch day, and I love you guys. And remember to keep rolling on and find beauty and advocacy. I love you.